Hey guys, we are going to be building our very first Python program. So to start out, we are going to open up our Python shell. Just type Python 3 and you can see we get this display right here. So our first program, we just want to display something to our screen. We want to display an output. So we're going to do print, parentheses, quotation mark, hello, my name is Slim Shady, enter, and there you have it. So this is our first Python program. You can notice the format here. We just have a print statement, parentheses, quotation mark, and then we could actually put whatever words we want inside of these quotation marks. And we could also use a single quotation as well. Doesn't make a difference to the program. There you have it.